First, I heard a knock, then a scuffle, and then a small white envelope peeking through the door. And as I opened that door, I saw something absolutely beautiful. My all-new Capital One Venture X card has arrived, and in this video, you are going to witness me pull to open. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, do me a quick favor and click on that like and subscribe button down below. Also, check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers, to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a fantastic app to manage all your credit cards and rewards in one place. Let the show begin. Actually, first I want to show you all the shipping label right here. I know it's probably hard to see with some of the small print, so I took a picture of this and I'll put it up on the screen for you all to see. First of all, in the upper left-hand corner, the origin ID was pizza. I'm not sure what that means, but I thought it was kind of funny. Then directly below that, it is attention to the rapid department of Capital One. So now we know that Capital One has a rapid department to ship your new Venture X card to you very, very quickly. Then over on the right-hand side, we can see the ship date was the 8th of December of 2021. And then further down, we can see that it was shipped to arrive on Thursday, the 9th of December by 8 p.m. via standard overnight delivery. So I actually got approved for the card on Monday, the 6th of December, which means there was 2 days of nothing going on from a shipment standpoint. So I guess that means that actually there was a 2-day gap or lapse there for the card to be printed and then shipped out from there. And now it's time to pull to open. And inside this big envelope, we have a smaller envelope. And it's quite thick and beefy. And here's your up-close look of this envelope as well, also from Omaha, Nebraska. So now let's go ahead and open up this one. Of course, my address is on this stuff too, so let me cover that up and be right back. And now for the first best part of the entire video, the actual unfurling of the piece of paper. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, and liftoff. There it is, the all-new Capital One Venture X card. Let me see if I can get a little bit of a closer view for you all with the light on it. So it seems to be like a nice matte, but also a little bit of a shiny finish on the front. Let me go ahead and pull it off with also removing that sticker as well to give you a better look. And here's your up close and personal view of the all new Venture X card. I'll move it around a little bit to hopefully catch the light on it a bit. Like I mentioned, it's kind of a matte finish, but it also has a shine to it, like a very subtle, dull glitter effect, which is kind of cool. I'm not sure how they pulled that off, but they did. Anyway, here's the reverse of the card. I covered up as much as I needed to, while also exposing as much as I could of the back. It's very, very plain actually on the back. And interestingly, this is a Visa Infinite card, as you see on the bottom right over here, but there's no a Visa Dove. You know that Dove logo? That's not on here at all. And then this is a metal credit card, so hopefully the light will catch it. But you can see that metal slab right there that kind of runs in between the front and the back. So while the front is plastic, so is the back. That core is definitely metal. And Capital One does know how to make a metal card very, very nicely. It's pretty substantial, which I will of course demonstrate in just a few moments here as we drop and weigh the card. But first, I also want to show it next to the original Capital One Venture Rewards card, which you can now see on the left side of your screen. It's also a metal card, but the designs are quite different. The Venture has that passport logo type of design on the left-hand side. And then on the back, let me flip these over. The Venture, still on the left, does have that Visa Dove logo. And should you want to see it next to the Sapphire Reserve as well, here are all three side by side. I'd say that the Chase Sapphire Reserve is one of the top competitive card offerings to the all-new Venture X. And the Sapphire Reserve also has the Dove logo on the back as well, so not sure why they got rid of that on the Capital One Venture X, but they did. Also on the bottom left, the Sapphire Reserve does mention that it contains metal and that you should not shred this card, whereas the Venture X does not warn you that it's a metal card anywhere, so it's sneaky metal. All right, let's do some drop tests and weight comparisons among all these metal cards. Of course, we have to start with the Venture X here. Let's go ahead and drop that. Again. And a third time. Next up, the Capital One Venture Rewards card. And we'll also do the Chase Sapphire Reserve. And one more time, one after the other. And now for the weight comparisons, starting with the Capital One Venture X, 17 grams. Next up, the Capital One Venture, 16 grams. And finally, the CSR, only 13 grams. So no, all metal credit cards are not the same. And last up, for those of you who may be interested in seeing the 5 documents that they will also send you with your new Venture X card, the first is the Your Guide to Benefits pamphlet. These always prove rather epic to open up. Check this out. Oh yeah, there we go. So if you want to read some font size 0 front and back, then this is for sure some great Friday night fun. Although this stuff can be very important to read. This one discloses the trip delay reimbursement, extended warranty protection, purchase security, return protection, lost luggage reimbursement, cell phone protection. So basically all the warranties, the coverages, protections, insurance are all listed here and all the terms that come with them, so you know how much coverage you get, when they apply, what the deductibles are, etc. Second is the Capital One Customer Agreement. And this one is really important because it tells you all about your revolving line of credit, the rewards, access checks, I guess it's for cash advances, how to use your PIN, stopping a payment, credit reports, account defaults. Don't let your account fall into default. Make sure you pay your bill in full every single month. A glossary of terms, how we apply your payments, all that type of stuff. So if you're new to the credit world, make sure that you do read your agreement to understand what it's all about. Then everybody's favorite, what does Capital One do with your personal information? So this is all their affiliate, non-affiliate, joint venture marketing type of stuff. So you can understand what they're doing with your data. We then have your rewards program terms and conditions. So if you open that up, you learn about redeeming your miles for cashback, gift cards, travel, etc. This stuff can be quite interesting and good to know. For example, if you use the cover your previous travel purchases feature, you can actually redeem your miles within 90 days from the time it posts to your account, and then you'll receive your credit within 2 to 3 business days. So if you ever wonder, like, how long does it take to redeem my miles? When do I get my cash back? And all that type of stuff, this will actually outline all those details. And finally, we have the super sleek Venture X welcome brochure, which if we open this up with some nice scissors once again, let's do this right now. This type of marketing literature tends to be my favorite because it gives you a very simple outline of your card, including the rewards categories, 10, 5, and 2, and your $300 travel credit with the 10,000 mile anniversary bonus. So you can read about all your main perks and benefits in a very simple way. Here is the $100 TSA PreCheck credit, plus airport lounge access through Priority Pass and Capital One lounges. And of course, the all-new Capital One travel portal, which is where you want to book to earn the most amount of miles with your new card. Plus, what else was there here? Oh, the transfer partners as well, over 15. I believe there might be 16 right now. And that's it. They keep it very, very simple to give you that general orientation around your card before you dive into all the fine print that I have lying on my floor. So to wrap things up, here's one final look at the all-new Venture X card up close. Of course, this card did make a lot of sense for me given my travel schedule that I typically have every year. But if you're considering this card, it does have that $395 annual fee, which can still make a lot of sense based on all the perks and benefits you get. But always make sure that the card is right for you before you decide to take on that expense and get the card yourself. So definitely check out my full in-depth review of this card. I did a separate video on it where I go in depth on all the features, benefits, rewards, and more, and then ultimately wrap up with helping you make a yes or no decision on whether to submit an application. And I also have another video comparing it to the Chase Sapphire Reserve. Check that one out as well if you're debating between those two cards and you want to find the one that best fits your spend habits and overall lifestyle, plus how you travel. Because ultimately, this whole credit card game is about finding the right card for you to build a healthy score and save a bunch of money in the process. And with all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit or entertain other people, then please help me get it in front of them by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also, check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers, to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a fantastic app to manage all your credit cards and rewards in one place. And in case you didn't know, MAXREWARDS actually has a bonus tracker feature built into their app. You can see it right over here. So my Capital One Venture X card has already been added there at the bottom, right below my new Chase Inc. Business Cash card as well. And you can see the actual trackers. Those are like the little like temperature meters showing you how much you've spent towards your welcome bonus versus how much you have left to spend. It also shows you the countdown for how many days remain until that offer expires, so that way you don't ever miss a welcome bonus. So by the way, if you have not yet signed up for Max Rewards, definitely check it out by using the link down below in the description. But overall, the app is designed to help you stay on top of your finances when it comes to your credit cards and manage them all, plus the rewards, features, and benefits in a single app, so that we don't get overwhelmed by it all. And I just realized I completely forgot to film the outro to this video, so here I am again on a new day with a new shirt and after a haircut. So I wanted to thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value and some entertainment along the way as well. I look forward to seeing you all again in future videos and while you're waiting on my next upload. Remember always that you are great.